In today's world, artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept. AI agents are becoming an integral part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to sophisticated algorithms used in various applications. These agents are transforming how we interact with technology. As AI technology advances, we are witnessing an unprecedented shift across multiple industries. Finance, healthcare, and transportation are just a few examples where AI agents are streamlining processes, improving efficiency, and enhancing decision-making capabilities. For instance, in healthcare, AI is enabling quicker diagnoses and more personalized treatment plans, leading to better patient outcomes. Moreover, businesses of all sizes are adopting AI solutions to remain competitive. Small startups are leveraging AI to analyze data and gain insights that drive growth. Meanwhile, larger corporations are implementing AI-driven automation to save costs and reduce manual labor. This revolution is not just restricted to tech giants, it is touching every facet of our economy and society. However, with these advancements come challenges and concerns that we must address. The increasing reliance on AI raises important questions about job displacement. As AI agents take over repetitive tasks, many fear that traditional job roles may become obsolete. It's essential for society to adapt and consider retraining programs to help workers transition into new roles created by AI innovations. Furthermore, issues surrounding privacy and ethical considerations cannot be overlooked. The data that powers AI agents often includes sensitive personal information. As we integrate AI more deeply into our lives, maintaining trust and ensuring that data is handled responsibly is critical. Regulations and guidelines are necessary to protect individuals and establish accountability. As we navigate this new landscape, it is crucial to find a balance between technological advancement and societal impact